So we're going to talk about your first module, module number 1. This is going to be a review of all the different types of media. So we're looking at the strengths and weaknesses. You can also consider that the pros and cons. We talked a lot about this in Advertising 1, so this should be a really good review for you. We have a few learning aids that will assist you. The first one is a chart, color coordinated chart. It's beautiful, that you can download and review if you like. I also have a PowerPoint presentation for you that covers everything, all the different types of media, and there's a voiceover with me just kind of talking about it. And also it has some examples that we talked about in your class, so it might strike up some images for you. You also have your book that you can go through again, and I know how much you loved your book. So but you can go through it because it is a good book. It has lots of different examples for you. So those are the 3 things that you can look at. Assignment-wise, your first assignment is a learning activity, and you're going to watch a video on Nike and the marketing that Nike does. It's a very nice video. It's only 14 minutes long, but it's packed with information. So you'll have a little learning activity with some questions that pertain to the video, but then I also want to know some of your feedback, some of your thoughts about how Nike advertised. So that will be turned in on Sunday evening. You have till 11:59 p.m. on Sunday night to turn that in. It's a 10-point assignment, and that will be turned in as a Word document. The next assignment that you'll have is a review assignment. What you're going to do is pick a product or service that interests you. And then you're going to find 3 different medias that they've used to advertise through. So if you pick a radio commercial, a television commercial, or a print ad, it could be if you see something online, if they've done advertising that way, outdoor media, go ahead and try to find the ones that you enjoyed and you found interesting. When you find those, you can either give me a URL address for them, copy and paste it in, and I gave you also some other locations that you can find commercials. If you're looking for a radio commercial, I gave you some websites that you can go to. So what you're going to do is describe the pros and cons or strengths and weaknesses of that specific media for that specific product or service. So don't be generic. Don't just write something down off the lovely handout I gave you, but actually relate it to that product or service. Then at the end, what you're going to do is tell me, in your opinion, which media best fit the advertisement for that product and why. Always why. It's a 40-point assignment. At the bottom of the assignment is your rubric, so you know exactly what points are for what. Now you can hand this in to me 3 different ways. First way is if you just want to do a Word document for me, that's absolutely fine. You can just upload the Word document with all the information on it. If you want to do an MP3, that's fine as well, where it's just going to be audio. Just talk about the product, talk about the pros and cons, the strengths. Or if you want to do an MP4 with a webcam, that's fine as well. If you want to use your cell phone, whatever it is, and just upload it, we can do it that way. Since this is our first time doing a class like this, we just want to see what way you're more comfortable and what way you can express yourself the best, since this is such a project-based class. If you have questions, email me, communicate with me. I want you to be successful in here. So, see ya.